Coinbase has become one of the most popular platforms for trading cryptocurrency, and for good reason. It offers an intuitive and secure way to buy, sell, and store digital currencies. However, if you're looking to step up your trading game, you might want to consider Coinbase Advanced Trading. This platform offers more features and tools for traders who want greater control over their trades. What is Coinbase Advanced Trading? Coinbase Advanced Trading is a more professional version of the regular Coinbase platform. It's designed for traders who want to use advanced charting tools, real-time market data, and more complex order types. Unlike the standard Coinbase interface, which is focused on simplicity and ease of use, Coinbase Advanced Trading is all about giving you more options and control. It's the perfect platform for traders who want to dig deeper into the cryptocurrency market and make smarter, data-driven decisions. How to set up Coinbase Advanced Trading. To get started with Coinbase Advanced Trading, you first need to have a Coinbase account. If you haven't signed up yet, simply create an account, verify your identity, and then you can access the Advanced Trading section. Once you're logged in, go to the Advanced tab to access the advanced trading features. You'll find a more detailed interface featuring real-time market data, charts, and more complex order types like limit and stop orders. It's essential to familiarize yourself with the new tools before you start trading, especially if you are new to advanced trading. Navigating the interface. The Coinbase Advanced Trading interface is broken down into several sections, each designed to help you make informed trading decisions. Order book. This section shows you all current buy and sell orders, helping you understand market sentiment. By analyzing the order book, you can identify price levels where significant buying or selling is taking place. Market chart. This is where you'll analyze the price movements of your chosen cryptocurrency. The charting tool integrates with TradingView, offering advanced features like candlestick patterns and technical analysis indicators. Order entry panel. Here you can place your buy and sell orders. Coinbase Advanced Trading allows you to use limit orders and stop orders, both of which can help you better manage your trades. Types of orders. Limit orders and stop orders. One of the key advantages of Coinbase Advanced Trading is the ability to place more advanced orders. Two of the most commonly used orders are limit orders. A limit order allows you to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at a specific price. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin at $40,000, but it's currently trading at $42,000, you can set a limit order to buy once the price drops to $40,000. This way, you're not buying at a higher price than you want. Stop orders. A stop order automatically triggers a buy or sell action once the price of an asset hits a certain level. These are particularly useful for risk management, as they help you limit potential losses. For example, if you own Bitcoin and want to sell it if the price drops to $35,000, you can set a stop order to sell at that price automatically. Risk management and protecting your investments. Effective risk management is critical when trading, and Coinbase Advanced Trading offers several tools to help you protect your investments. Stop-loss orders. As mentioned earlier, stop-loss orders automatically sell your cryptocurrency if it hits a specific price, preventing large losses. Position sizing. It's essential to only risk a small portion of your portfolio on each trade. By controlling how much you invest in each position, you reduce the risk of a single trade draining your entire account. Risk-reward ratio. This is a formula that helps you determine if a trade is worth taking. For example, if you risk $100 to make a potential $300, your risk-reward ratio would be 1:3. Aim to find trades where the potential reward outweighs the risk. Using charting tools for technical analysis. Coinbase Advanced Trading gives you access to advanced charting tools that are crucial for technical analysis. These tools are provided by TradingView, a leading platform used by professional traders worldwide. Some of the key technical indicators you can use include moving averages. These help smooth out price data and identify trends over a given period. Relative Strength Index, RSI. This helps measure if a cryptocurrency is overbought or oversold. MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, a trend-following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages of a cryptocurrency's price. By using these indicators, you can make more informed decisions and increase your chances of success in the market. Why choose Coinbase Advanced Trading? Coinbase Advanced Trading is an excellent platform for those who want to step up their cryptocurrency trading skills. The tools it offers, such as advanced charting, real-time market data, and more sophisticated order types, allow traders to make more strategic and well-informed decisions. While it may be overwhelming at first, Coinbase Advanced Trading provides all the resources you need to succeed in cryptocurrency trading. Whether you are looking to maximize profits or minimize losses, this platform gives you the flexibility and control to manage your trades efficiently. However, always keep in mind that trading comes with risk. Be sure to use the available risk management tools. Start with small investments, and take the time to learn how to read charts and understand market trends. Now that you're armed with the knowledge to get started with Coinbase Advanced Trading, it's time to take the next step. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button. It helps us create more content like this for you. If you're ready to dive deeper into the world of cryptocurrency and level up your trading, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable tips and strategies. Trading is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Get started with Coinbase Advanced Trading today and start making smarter, more informed trades. Until next time, happy trading.